Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're taking to the skies with two budget-friendly drones, the LMRC-12 and the DROCON. If you've ever wanted to feel like a high-tech spy or just annoy your neighbors, stay tuned because this one's for you. First things first, let's talk about the price. On the left, we've got our budget buddy, the LMRC-12, coming in at a wallet-friendly $79. On the right, DROCON is asking for a slightly heavier investment at $109. That's a $30 difference. You could buy a lot of snacks with that extra cash. Or, another cheap drone when you inevitably crash the first one. Now, both these bad boys boast a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle. That's right, folks, you can finally capture those high-quality aerial shots of your dog chasing its tail. But here's the kicker. LMRC-12 offers dual camera switching. That's right, 2 cameras. It's like having eyes in the back of your drone's head. DROCON, on the other hand, sticks with just one. So if you're a fan of options, LMRC-12 is calling your name. Reviewers of the LMRC-12 appreciate its impressive camera quality, especially at this price point. DROCON, however, has mixed reviews, with some users finding the camera to be functional but not exceptional. Next up, ease of use. Both drones claim to be beginner-friendly with headless mode and one-key start landing. But LMRC-12 goes a step further with hand gesture photo and altitude hold hovering. It's like having a mini Jedi mind trick drone. DROCON also offers altitude hold, but adds an emergency stop feature. Perfect for those, "Oh no, it's heading straight for the neighbor's cat" moments. So it's a toss-up. Do you want to feel like a Jedi or just play it safe? Reviewers of the LMRC-12 praise its ease of use and stable flight, making it a great choice for beginners. DROCON is also appreciated for its user-friendly setup, but has some feedback about its responsiveness in windier conditions. Flight time is crucial. LMRC-12 gives you 26 minutes with its 2 modular batteries. DROCON is a close competitor, offering 24 minutes. 2 minutes might not seem like much, but in drone time, it could mean the difference between capturing that perfect sunset shot or just a bunch of dark, blurry photos. Plus, LMRC-12 has a low-power alarm, so no more sudden drone crashes. It's like the drone equivalent of your phone's 10% battery warning, but way cooler. Reviewers of both drones are pleased with their battery life, though some DROCON users wish for a bit more longevity. Now, let's talk fun features. LMRC-12 has a bunch of them. Draw a flight path on your app, 3-level flight speeds, and strong wind resistance. It's like the James Bond of drones. DROCON, though, isn't backing down. It offers gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, 360-degree flip, and app control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. So if you want to impress your friends with all the tricks, DROCON might just be your new best friend. Reviewers love the variety of features on both drones, but DROCON's extensive list of fun functionalities stands out. Finally, portability. LMRC-12 is compact and easy to carry, but DROCON takes it up a notch with its foldable design and included suitcase. It's like the drone version of those fancy luggage sets you see in airports. Less than 249 grams, it's practically begging to be taken on your next adventure. So if you're always on the go, DROCON is the way to go. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, but DROCON's foldable design and carry case are clear winners for frequent travelers. Overall, reviewers find both drones to be excellent choices for beginners and casual users. LMRC-12 stands out for its affordability, ease of use, and impressive camera quality. DROCON, on the other hand, is praised for its extensive features and portability. Both have their pros and cons, but you can't go wrong with either depending on your priorities. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. The LMRC-12 and DROCON. Two drones ready to take your aerial photography game to new heights. Whether you're on a budget or ready to splurge a bit, both these drones have something special to offer. But remember, the best drone is the one that doesn't crash into your neighbor's tree. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Fly smart and buy smart, folks. Product links are in the description. See you next time.